Greetings, fellow tech enthusiasts! Are you ready to join me on a journey of exploration and discovery? As a self-proclaimed IT nerd, I'm constantly learning and exploring new technology. But let's face it, sometimes all that knowledge can pile up and make a mess of things. It's time to clean up the house and streamline our resources and services. Let's start with the basics, shall we? Every office and business needs the good internet connection and trusty router and firewall combo. In this video series, we are going to install pfsense firewall and some amazing services that won't be facing the public internet. Think Pi-hole for internal DNS service, uptime Kuma for monitoring and Heimdall for dashboarding. And to make it all work together seamlessly, we will be using virtualization technology. That's right, we are going to get hypervisor and create two virtual machines. One will be our trusty router firewall, while the other one home of our Docker container party. So sit back, grab your favorite energy drink, and watch my next video.